Hey guys, this is a new content that I'm making. Geometry Dash. I'm still on back on track. Dami na. Find them. Hindi fat guy in my class. Dami na. Dami tisa. Why do I keep getting ads? Ah.
For example, there was an interaction between Homer and Lenny being a recurring friend of Homer's, where Lenny says, "Hey Homer."
Okay guys, I'm gonna try a different level now. What is this polar gist? So guys, sometimes my friend is kind of touching the grass. He was so scared of grass. Also guys, my friend that's like so scared of grass. They're so slow. My friend is so slow. I mean faster than them guys. Also, once I was helping out in my school lift a table in 5th grade. Annoying guy in my class guys. So guys, the one that I can reference it was guys. He just look like him so people know what black. So but if he jumps in a small swimming pool, it will explode. It will go kaboom. If he just gets in a small, if he gets in the outhouse, in the outhouse guys. I'm now changing my level. It's Beast of the Beast. Oh my god damn it. Yapping. Also guys, there's like about some annoying girls in my school guys. Also guys, I had a oh my goodness, damn it. I hate these ads, guys. Why do ads keep happening? Okay, guys. I hate this. I did used to play Geometry Dash on my phone, but my phone is so small. Also, my phone had no volume yet because I broke it while watching YouTube. So my YouTube on my phone is broken. So I have to restart all of my 100% levels. You can do this again. Okay, so I'm gonna change my level again. What is continent?
Looks into the crowd, and they all get
Dami na ang gaming my level. What is time machine, guys? Do you know what is time machine? Also, guys, my best friend is like about 36 kilos, and I can lift him. That is now here. Matulog naman. Pangakamatay. Okay, guys, my internet is here. I was gonna be making this because it's so baka.
just outside of the Simpsons' house, and the whole street comes out to see what's going on.
Okay, guys, this is
Homer's
oh my goodness gracious. Also, guys, I'm a big I hate these ads. Go play Melon Playground.
This kit is the same price as the road.
Bart takes it to the till before Lisa can reason with him, and they get a free ironing board covered with purchase. Marge now has a present. All moms love to iron, right? Marge's birthday comes around and she opens her iron board cover. Let's just say she's not too happy with this particular gift. Lisa and Bart take full advantage of their game and think Marge is
Guys, these are my worlds. I do have some custom worlds. And the untitled one. So guys, I want to sneeze.
What? I always see her. She's in my phone contacts 3 times under Mom, Mommy, and Sandwich.
The kids start to understand their mom's point of view.
Because I do have a lot of mods.
On the other side of town, Homer is trying to get on
The RAM
walks around trying to find any
225
Those fat fingers are too
and this new doghouse, guys.
Homer discovers that
It's a modified version of the 2006 RAM.
Lisa and Bart make a list.
It has a hail cage, a camera, displays where you can monitor the camera. It's built for high performance recording of tornado. See, guys. Also, guys, I do have some weird characters in here. Like this, which I just used to torture. I just use it for funny things. Where's the 1X? I will better use this crocodile. So guys, it's so much better now. See, guys.
They find Petey in a nearby tree, bring him home to Springfield. Back in the sinkhole, Agnes starts choking on some
So guys, I do have this and this melon girl and also this guy.
And she alerts everyone of the sinkhole, taking the #1 spot on the list. Lisa and Bart surprise Marge with Petey, but she starts screaming, which triggers Petey to attack her. She says she got rid of him because of this very issue, but she appreciates the trouble the kids went to. The episode ends with a cutscene that shows Marge coming out in a new robe after there's another car crash, letting Marge have her special moment. This episode starts with
See guys, I do also have a lot of weird mods. But this is my favorite mod that I actually created just by using another mod. It's pretty cool, right guys? It also has a cool suspension.
Talking about what Thanksgiving was like when she was young, before the Great Blackout.
It started on a cold November day, back when you could actually see snow outside of a museum.
There are reports of a blizzard coming to Springfield, so everyone is preparing for the storm. Marge asks Homer if he's installed the storm windows yet, but after their windows start smashing, it's clear he didn't.
Okay guys, let me just place these down.
But as usual, Lisa isn't happy about them calling it Turkey Day.
You're celebrating the slaughter of a living thing. Lisa, you always slaughter the moon.
He's not wrong. It's Hawaiian Day at Homer's work, and Mr. Burns plans on replacing all his current staff with all new non-union workers to save him money. Workers who can also
Okay, guys.
sing. Yeah, I have no idea.
So guys, it has good suspension.
Now to call Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and reclaim my title of the world's most self-serving billionaire. Homer almost throws the trash from the party into the reactor core, which is right next to the trash chute, but quickly realizes his mistake and puts it in the
Okay
correct
guys,
place.
so this is the end of my video guys. So now bye bye.